Boom. All right. So if you're looking for a way to grow and create social media content, try this. First things first, understand this. Social media content is 80% up here, right? Everything else is 20. Creating content has amplified when it comes to reaching new people, when it comes to engaging with people. So it is very important that you focus mainly on content. But let's keep it real. The biggest problems that most people are having when it comes to creating content is consistency, frequency, right? Content ideas, and most importantly, time management. These things are what's slowing you down. A lot of times we don't have time to actually create a new or come up with an idea and then create it right then and there, right? Something's always getting in front of us. So here's something that I want to offer to you or show you that we do, which I like to call the vault strategy. Instead of trying to create one, two, three, four pieces of content a day, why not take one day, maybe 2 hours out of that day, right? Depending on how you work. And then you create 30, 60, 90 pieces of content in that one day. How am I going to do that? Jamal, how is he going to do? How in the hell? I don't have time for that. Oh my God. Shut up. I'm going to show you how you can do this and be able to push all the content out there for your customers, for your friends, for whoever to see so that they will engage with you. Are you ready? Let's get it started. Number one, create your niche. What is it that you are going to be talking about? What products or services are you going to be sharing? What do you want to relay to the customer in order for them to come back to you and engage with you, right? What is your content going to be about? And most importantly, who is it going to be targeted to? Time management. Your time is important. So find whatever day that you have free time, and that is going to be the day that you're going to focus in on your content. I want you to write a list of things that you want to do, which is going to be targeted to your niche, right? And then you're going to basically create ideas. This can be in the form of an image, this can be in the form of a reel, a story, however you want to do it. I want you to pay attention to those things and then pick one day that you have where you're not doing too much of anything, hopefully, and you can just harness in and focus on that piece of content on that day. Everybody else, cut your phone off. Uh, don't check your emails. Everybody else has to basically just get out of the way so that you can focus. Number three, don't overthink it. Listen, this is coming from me. I overthink a lot of stuff, and I had to train myself mindset, right? I had to train myself to not overthink things, make things fun, make things cool. I look at this like you treat your friends or you treat the people on social media like your friends or people in high school, right? Because that's kind of what it is, right? It's like a high school thing. So all you're doing is just connecting with your friends. So when you're asking a simple question, don't make it all salesy and stuff like that, right? You're just asking a simple question. You're getting people to engage with you and having fun while doing it. It's okay to have fun. So again, don't overthink it. Number four, invest in a scheduling app. Let me tell you how this has changed my way of doing a lot of things, right? Basically, what it is a website, an app, or whatever that you can go to and you can put all your content in there. You can put the days that you want to post, the times that you want to post. You can put the actual hashtags and so forth on what you want to put in there, and it will automatically post on your social media feeds. For us, we use this website or this app called Later, right? Very simple. And again, it allows you to schedule your posts, post videos, reels, times. You can put your captions in there. You can write your hashtags. And most importantly, I believe it puts it on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn, right? I'm not getting paid for this. So, yeah, I'm not getting paid for it. So basically, you use that to schedule your posts so that you can have more time out of your day. Find the best times to post. Now, understand this is going to be important because you want to understand what time your friends, your audience is watching your stuff. So you want to find out what the best times are. Once you identify the best times that people are paying attention to your stuff, then those are going to be the times that you're going to post the most on those particular times. So if it's 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, whatever times it is, you want to make sure that you are focused. It is extremely important. It is very helpful. Trust me. This is the Volt strategy. If this helped at all, you know what I'm gonna ask, right? Do me a favor, go ahead and leave it in the comments. Uh, as always, like, subscribe for more content, right? You help my channel, I'll keep dishing out information. And as long as you like the way I talk, then we'll keep going. Until then, until next time, as always, be premier.